Hello and welcome to the Real-Time Forex Trader. We're here trading euro dollar. It is coming up to 7 in the morning in London, GMT. This is the IG trading platform. This is euro dollar. We've got a tick chart, 1 second, 10 second, 1 minute. We've got a number of shorts on. I'm expecting it to run into a ceiling here and pull back, but they're just gradually grinding the price up because we're in an uptrend. But I think we've got a bit of a limit here, and I think the seller's up here at 25. So what I was looking for is a pullback like this one. You know, good. That was 3 pips, 4 pips. So I'd be looking for a 4 or 5 pip pullback. And yeah, we're not quite seeing it. It's just grinding higher. But I think this is a little bit of an asymmetric trade. We've got not a lot of potential for it to go higher, and plenty of potential for it to drop, because once it's hit a glass ceiling, where can it go but down? This is the economic calendar for today on IG. As you can see, high 1:30 GMT American jobless figures, and another one at 3 o'clock. Another one there, 1:30 durable goods, but another one at 3 housing sales. So they're the economic announcements for today. And this just grinding higher. No, that looking to be a much easier trade, putting them on their 20s, get them off now at 24. Once again, I've missed the easy money and made it very hard work. Right, now look, we're breaking 25s now. And we're not even at 7. So that's broken all of the highs of the last 24 odd hours. And what did we get? 27.8. So there weren't that many sellers at 25. It turns out. No, we need to work ourselves out of this, because these buyers presumably are expecting it to go higher at 7 o'clock. And we are a bit stuck in this. So this is not how you trade. And as you can see, a buy on there and letting it run up to 7 was a very easy 8 pips. So I really need to start following more of my own rules about following the trend and not trying to predict where the markets will turn. I mean, the last thing I need is the market makers running this up to 109.50 this morning and then letting it come back. That would be a disaster. So what have we got on? 5 shorts. That's enough for now. It hasn't pulled back. You know, it's gone up there and found a new level. I wouldn't have predicted that. I'd have thought it would have had some form of pullback, and more than this 3 pips. You know, it's up here and it stayed. Well, every day's a learning day in Forex. Really, I could do with another short on up here to average my price. Right, is this it falling off? But, you know, it could form up range bound as we come up to the hour. So, where are you going with this market? Plenty of opportunity for trades in this. There we go. Just beginning to pull back. Good. 4 minutes to go till 7. People who got shorts on up here at 29.28s, very comfortable. I'd have thought some of them would take that now. My average price 22.5. So round about this level of congestion. So I need it back to this level to get out alive with a nice profit. 20. 5 pips lower. Now, where's it going next? See, is it going to pull that back to the trend line and then go up again? You know, I'm quite tempted to say that's what's going to happen. At 7, some buyers coming in. Plateauing down here, 5 pips off the 4 or 5 pips off the peak. But you see, forming up above the trend line. 3.5 minutes to go. And this might have a little pullback yet. In which case, we might be able to get off that trade and that trade. Nearly half our risk. So, let's see where this is going. See, forming up below the trend line. But I think really most of the participants are waiting to see what happens at 7. 2 pips in the money with that, and all the others, that's 6 pips out of the money. Right, we ought to have a take profit on. So where should we target that? It needs to be lower than there. It needs to be down here, doesn't it? So 17, we'll put it on at 18. In case we can get filled. So 2.5 minutes to go. Yeah, slightly grinding down. 1.5 minutes to go. I wonder if we could get 2 of those in profit before we get to before we get to 7 o'clock. Come on, drop again. Next leg down. We need it to form up underneath the line. Right, not quite quick enough there. I should have had some of that. It's grinding down nicely, isn't it? Let's take that one off the table and that one. Now, you see it's had quite a downward move. We can get a pullback now. Right. That's a pip in profit, so I think we'll have that. And we'll take it off the table. And we still got 2 on in case it... see, anything can happen at 7. All we need is a load of buyers steaming and pushing it up. And we're out of the money. But we got 2 on in case they push it lower. So 7 o'clock, a couple of sellers coming in. Right, let's leave this. There we go, filled. There we go. That is how you scalp. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe.